Y'all, it is cold out there. Get cozy with a piping hot bowl of vegan chicken noodle soup. This soup recipe is based on the matzo ball soup that my Nanny Dorothy used to make when I was a kid. I still haven't quite cracked the code on vegan matzo balls that taste and feel like the ones from my childhood, but I couldn't resist using that same veggie broth herb combo to make this vegan chicken noodle soup. This is a one-pot, two-step recipe, and it is just packed with flavor and the definition of comfort food. If you like this recipe, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Start by prepping your veggies. Chop your celery into half-inch pieces, and chop your carrots into big chunks. You don't even have to peel the carrots if you don't want to. Then chop your onion into big old pieces, and crumble up a block of chicken-style seitan. If you don't want to use seitan, you can use your favorite vegan chicken substitute, like tofu or chickpeas. Grab a soup pot and add your broth, along with the veggies, garlic, chicken-style seitan, and fresh parsley and dill. If you need to, you can omit the fresh herbs. Now boil the veggies for 10 minutes until they're nice and tender. Then open the pot, remove the dill and parsley, add your noodles, and boil again until the noodles are cooked until they're perfectly tender too. You can discard the herbs or save them to add back to the pot later depending on your preference. You may need to add a little bit of salt here depending on your personal tastes and the broth that you used. As soon as those noodles are done, remove the pot from the heat and you are ready to serve. This soup is perfect for when you're feeling under the weather or need a quick dinner on a chilly evening. But it's also cozy and hearty enough for the Christmas or the Hanukkah table. It is just so flavorful from the broth and the herbs and all of those good veggies. My family loves this soup and I think yours will too. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this vegan chicken noodle soup. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!